I have two duplicate ads. How can I change the settings to just one of them? Not the video or anything, but devices, network settings. Okay, why would you have duplicate ads in the same ad group? That doesn't make any sense to me. Unless your question is that you want to target the same ad to on different devices, then what you want to do, and the way I would do that is make multiple campaigns. One campaign for the desktop, one for the mobile, and the third one for the tablet. Then have the same ads in each one, ad or ads in each one of these campaigns, and then you can change the network settings or the devices, budgets, and so on at the campaign level, because all these settings can only be done at the campaign level and not at the ad group level.